Do you watch films? ఏమైనా సినిమా చూస్తామా? Yes. You watch films? You must have watched Shankar Dada MBBS. In that film, the protagonist Chiranjeevi is not a medico. Am I right? He's a galat medico. Galat medico, bogus medico. And he pretends how to get into a class like a medico. He make a beautiful riyasa walking style. Walking style. Understand? I tell you, the point is, one can easily understand your walking. Dam, rhythm, kadam. Dam, rhythm, kadam. Otherwise, kadam. That is there. Madam must enjoy. Give it up. So laugh like a child. Repeat all of you.
Laugh like a child.
Learn like a child.
Learn like a child.
If you are free, secret I tell you. Secret Japana. One secret. Those who laugh like a children, please love them. Don't leave them. Those who do not laugh easily, danger people. Be careful with them. I got some clues to you. Am I right? If you laugh and laugh, you know, in a room when there is no class, the fans must fall down on the ground. There's laughter. So laughter lubricates life. Laughter lubricates life. Laughter liquidates strife. Laugh inside, smile outside. Do not laugh at others. Laugh with others. Laughter, chiefest and cheapest medicine. Medicine, a medicine. Medicine, a medicine. Unless emergency. And madam, go for now. Medicine means unless emergency. It's a medicine. Laughter, ultimate medicine. ఎవరైతే మనస్ఫూర్తిగా బాగా నవ్వుతారో వాళ్ళని 100% నమ్మండి. బ్రేక్స్ అన్ని మహా ప్రమాదం. వాళ్ళకి జాగ్రత్తగా అర్థం చేయండి. Understand? That's why when you laugh and laugh, the entire body gets recharged psychologically, physiologically. That's why we need fitness. Repeat all of you. Openness. First listen to people. First listen them. Second thing is faithfulness. Faithfulness. Third point oneness. Last point happiness. So openness. Get you matlad. Openness. Faithfulness. Fitness. Oneness. Clap, please. Okay. So most important thing is mind. So I said mind your own mind. Clear? For that, when enjoy free laughter. Free laughter. Laughter is not costly. Am I right? Yes. Do we need to purchase laughter? Yeah, not necessary. Free laughter. The body is ready to laugh, but mind is not ready. That's a problem. Mind is not ready. Okay. You got a beautiful smile. You ever smile? That's why smile males miles. Repeat.
Smile makes miles.
You go to a patient. How do you go to a patient? Crying or laughing? Or smiling? Laughing danger. Anmanam vastani. He gets down. Sending off. But laughter danger there. But when serious, you cannot be serious. The only thing is smile. A smile males miles. Come on.
Smile makes miles.
Kattiga.
Smile makes miles.
It's most important. That's why smile a while to file your smile in your life profile. Smile a while. You got a beautiful smile. Please, the divine gift. Repeat after me. Smile a while.
Smile a while.
I did an interesting joke. We go to petrol bunk. You're going to operation, a serious patient, and you are the expert. Petrol bunk, petrol you're taken. So for example, and there's the boy. Okay sir, nice, all the best sir. Smile and saying Tata. How nice you feel? But one fraction of second, sending you off with a smile. Fine sir. That smile will have lots of mileage. Let your smile an infectious healthy disease. Yes, it goes on. That's why I said smile most important. Many people have beautiful smile. Other smile. As if Trump has given a serious warning to him not to come to America. IGP has got lots of problems more than Moody. There are small children. Small children. Everybody has a tension. Am I not right? If a small baby, born baby, and you cry, pass urine, take milk. Three things. Tension, malnutrition. Cry, pass urine, and take milk. That's why I said, it's a biological truth, biological factor. That's why we need, fitness mantra. First of all, number one, try to laugh, please. Number one. In a day, how much time you spend for laughing? How much time you spend laughing? I tell you one interesting joke. I'm a grandparent, listen to me. Matchmaking scene, setting. Boy very serious. Techie. Oh, 5 lakhs more than Sattu Nadenla. So what? So what? Okay, boy serious. The girl also thinks very serious, something wrong with him. So boy serious, girl serious, get married. So serious couple, children serious, family serious, girl serious, police serious, Delhi serious. Look, IGP are only one on earth. Wrong? Quite wrong. No. That's called negative energy. Negative energy, positive energy. So most important. So see for cell phone. Another thing, how many of you watch serials? TV serials. I said body language straight. Honestly, my humble request, please, in this Janma, never watch TV serials. In this life, please. ఆ ఋతు రోగాలు ఆ దొమ్మరిలు వద్దు. ఏం ఋతు రోగాలు ఏ దొమ్మరిలు అది. Do we find serials never see real? Are you with me? Serials never see real. The music, okay, dragging on, and BP, and lots of quoting 1 kilo, 2 kilos. So please, girls, please never watch serials. You ask any psychiatrist and neurologist, the main problem due to TV serials in middle class families. Every family, most of families, and you find every gully neuro-block, neurophysician, psychiatrist. Oh, twist. In 1975, in 90s, I've been to NIMS just to see that only hardly one neuro doctor. Now you got millennium neuro-block, millennium. 90% TV victims. Why should we? I am saying, when you are strong, not necessary. Instead, talk to children, enjoy with them, play with them, and the senior citizen. Please, most important. So see for serial, no. And see for chewing gutka, please tell your friends. I am not saying none of you take that. Please suggest, wherever it is possible, never chew gutka, which is very dangerous, causes cancer. Even taking fruit. Suppose that fellow choose gutka, I tell him, I will not take. Why, sir? तुम गुटखा खा रहे नहीं लेता हूँ. Sir, बंद करो. Please try. At least stop one from taking gutka. You are the great personality, a great physician, I tell you. Please do that. Take delight in that. तुम्हारा क्या जा रहा? तिट्टू मरतोडु. भरिंचाता तुम्हारा क्या जा रहा? What are you losing? So lots of things, but you understand. Talk to him politely. It's very dangerous. But I have seen many people cigarette smoking and gutka they are doing and causing danger. Tobacco particularly. They develop doctors and even wealthy. So the fitness mantra is, all of repeat. Pancha mantra. Repeat all of you. Number 1, physically fit. Comfortably. Physically fit. Physiologically fit. Psychologically fit. Sociologically fit. Cosmologically fit. Got the meaning? You got the meaning? This is integral fitness mantra. Once again, physically fit. Physiologically fit. Psychologically fit. Sociologically fit. And cosmologically fit. So this is your ultimate integral fitness mantra. Number 1, okay? You must take these 5 elements, Panchabhutas, you must take proper water. Many people do not drink water because you are doctors, you know better than me. Okay, so those are very important. And ultimately, breath matters. Repeat after me. Breath matters. Come on. Breath matters.
matters.
Breath is birthright.
Breath is birthright.
Breath is birthright.
Breath is birthright.
People say, when we are born, nothing we bought. We got something. What is that? Breath. With breath, swasa. With breath we are born. With breath we live. Without breath we leave the world. Clear? Ultimate thing is breath. Okay. This skull pranayama. This is called skull pranayama. The middle part of the body and lower part of the body. Lower part of the body, the root of the body. The middle of the body, the shoot of the body. And the skull, the fruit of the body. So most important. Okay. And one more thing. You have your what called sole of the feet. How many of you got clean soles? Clean feet? Clean feet? Don't add fair and lovely to it. Understand? Very nice. It's a signal. Without cracks. Cracks means dharana, vedi. Heat in the body. It must be clean. That's why I said, when root is strong, shoot is strong. When shoot is strong, fruit is strong. The lower part of the body, most important, people forget. Am I right? Most important. The reproductive system, the gender system, most important. Second thing is the middle part of the body. Third thing is skull. Skull does all. Okay? Can I see one or two steps? All of raise your hands. Raise your hands. All of you raise your hands. Very nice. Both hands. Down. Shall I show one or two tips? Yes. For mind, okay? Mind recharging. Okay, time is very short. Once again, up, up, down, up, down. Now tell me, it's called Nadi. Nadi, Vadi, Vedi. Okay? Nadi is most important. Surya Nadi, Chatra Nadi. Okay, let's see. When you are mentally disturbed, left is blocked. When you are physically fatigued, right is blocked. When you are cold and cough together comes, left and right both block, traffic jam. You can go to Apollo, go to some other hospital. Understand? So fundamental thing is, right and left must be clean. That is Nadi. Okay?